Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on WhatsApp on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, go to settings, then scroll all the way down to apps, tap on that. Now from here you want to go ahead and you want to use the search under your app. So on the upper right hand side you see search, you can search for WhatsApp and you can tap on that. Now, under the privacy section, you will see notifications and it might say allowed. So tap on that. And in order to turn off notifications, just toggle it off. And from here, you will not have notifications. Notifications will be blocked on your WhatsApp. So if you don't want your messages to pop up and show, you can easily go ahead and block that. But let me show you something more. If you go back there and you toggle it on, you can also silence your alerts as well. So you can go ahead and you can choose multiple options. So you can silence the alert, and what's going to happen when you silence the alert, that you won't have the pop-up. So if you look towards the notification style or type, you will see that pop-up allowed, it's there. You can also go ahead and change the notification styles as well. So you can simple, as you can see here, all three of them are blue, but if you tap on that, you can disable them, and that's basically will turn off those notification pop-ups there, the notification styles on your phone. So you can choose between whichever one you want, and you can also turn them off. And that's how you can easily go ahead and turn off notifications, or basically silent alerts, change the notification styles on your Samsung or Android phone for your WhatsApp.